Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Household chores. I am doing. Examples. I am cooking the meal.
I am cooking the meal.
I am cooking the meal.
You are setting the table.
You are setting the table.
You are setting the table.
She is cleaning the table.
She is cleaning the table.
She is cleaning the table.
I'm picking up the dishes.
I'm picking up the dishes.
I'm picking up the dishes.
You're doing the dishes.
You're doing the dishes.
You are doing the dishes.
He is mopping the floor.
He is mopping the floor.
He is mopping the floor.
I'm putting things in order.
I'm putting things in order.
I'm putting things in order.
I'm dusting the furniture.
I'm dusting the furniture.
I'm dusting the furniture.
He is cleaning the windows.
He is cleaning the windows.
He is cleaning the windows.
She is vacuuming the floor.
She is vacuuming the floor.
She is vacuuming the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am making the bed.
I am making the bed.
I am making the bed.
You are putting the clothes in the basket.
You are putting the clothes in the basket.
You are putting the clothes in the basket.
She is picking up things.
She is picking up things.
She is picking up things.
I'm doing the laundry.
I'm doing the laundry.
I'm doing the laundry.
The dryer is drying the laundry.
The dryer is drying the laundry.
The dryer is drying the laundry.
You are ironing the clothes.
You are ironing the clothes.
You are ironing the clothes.
She is hanging out the clothes.
She is hanging out the clothes.
She is hanging out the clothes.
He is collecting dry clothes.
He is collecting dry clothes.
He is collecting dry clothes.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
He is mowing the lawn.
He is mowing the lawn.
He is mowing the lawn.
He is washing the car.
He is washing the car.
He is washing the car.
I am taking out the trash.
I am taking out the trash.
I am taking out the trash.
You are taking the dog for a walk.
You are taking the dog for a walk.
You are taking the dog for a walk.
He is feeding the dog.
He is feeding the dog.
He is feeding the dog.
She is doing the shopping.
She is doing the shopping.
She is doing the shopping.
I am tidying the room.
I am tidying the room.
I am tidying the room.
Mother taking care of her children.
Mother taking care of her children.
Mother taking care of her children.
He is washing the floor.
He is washing the floor.
He is washing the floor.
She is cleaning the window.
She is cleaning the window.
She is cleaning the window.
She is serving the food.
She is serving the food.
She is serving the food.
I am preparing desserts.
I am preparing desserts.
I am preparing desserts.
You are picking up the dry leaves.
You are picking up the dry leaves.
You are picking up the dry leaves.
She is cleaning the bathroom.
She is cleaning the bathroom.
She is cleaning the bathroom.
I am preparing dinner.
I am preparing dinner.
I am preparing dinner.
You are folding clothes.
You are folding clothes.
You are folding clothes.
She is shaking out the carpets.
She is shaking out the carpets.
She is shaking out the carpets.
I am polishing the dishes.
I am polishing the dishes.
I am polishing the dishes.
He is painting the fence.
He is painting the fence.
He is painting the fence.
She is doing gardening.
She is doing gardening.
She is doing gardening.
He is doing the recycling.
He is doing the recycling.
He is doing the recycling.
She is preparing the coffee.
She is preparing the coffee.
She is preparing the coffee.
I am drawing up the budget for expenses.
I am drawing up the budget for expenses.
I am drawing up the budget for expenses.
You are shopping at the supermarket.
You are shopping at the supermarket.
You are shopping at the supermarket.
She is cleaning the refrigerator.
She is cleaning the refrigerator.
She is cleaning the refrigerator.
I am making breakfast.
I am making breakfast.
I am making breakfast.
You are buying the bread.
You are buying the bread.
You are buying the bread.
She is preparing the fruit juice.
She is preparing the fruit juice.
She is preparing the fruit juice.
He is feeding the cat.
He is feeding the cat.
He is feeding the cat.
She is changing the curtains.
She is changing the curtains.
She is changing the curtains.
Thanks
For watching.